If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, PB gang? It's your boy poppyblasted, man, aka
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah! I'm back with y'all, man. I'm back with y'all, bro. We back with another video, man. As you can see, man. Hey, we doubling it up. It's the same day. I'm filming another video for y'all. 2 of them in a row, man. Hey, I'm on game, bro. Y'all gotta give me props, man. Comment below right now, PB gang. Let me know y'all here, man. Comment below right now. Let me know y'all here, man. Let's talk. Let's chop it up in the comments, man. Also, new tuning to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you also tap the notification bell. Tap that bell, highlight it, man, so that way you will not miss out on none of the content that I drop. Hey, also go to poppyblasted.com, get your hair care because it's all there. The best exclusive 360 wave products in the hey. Made by me, man. Made by a waver, man. Made by, if you want waves like this, bro, come on. You gotta go there. You gotta go there to get it, man. You feel me? No cap, man. Hey, it's expensive, it's low key, it's pricey, but it's worth it, bro. It's coming from me. I'm making it with these hands, and I've been doing it for years. And y'all can look at reviews online. It's hey, man. The proof is in the pudding, bro. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
Anyways, this video right here, what I'm gonna hit y'all with, right, is this. Oh yeah, also smash the like button. Smash it. We gotta get the algorithm going on. PB gang, we gotta get the algorithm going on, bro. It's been, you know, the views ain't really there, man. We gotta get it back going, bro. I know it's been a minute, so the YouTube algorithm is slow. You feel me? We gotta push them videos so we can get recommended, so we can get those more views. You feel me? Hey. Anyways, look, this video right here, look. I'm gonna let you guys know, man, the best brushes to use, bro, to get your 360 waves popping. For one, you wanna use a curved brush, bro, in the beginning. If you can use it later on too, as you can see, I'm using curved brushes right now. In the beginning, you wanna use that curved brush, bro. And you know why you wanna use that curved brush? Because that curved brush, it contours with the shape of your head. You feel me? You see how the curved brush is, what I mean by contour is the shape of it. You see how it's the shape? Now if you put it on your head, look, everybody head go like this, unless you got a round big balloon head, but no, everybody head go like this, so that it's like perfect for that angle right there. So I noticed with the curved brushes, it's great for that, you know what I'm saying, for progress in the beginning, especially in the beginning. It'll make your progress faster, but of course you gotta brush more. Not only that, bro, I use my brush, People to Go Merch, Flawless Brush. It's about softy right here. You're not gonna find no curved brush with the bristles like this, bro. Pure board bristles, bro. You're not gonna find that. Nothing but the finest quality bristles. You know what I'm saying? Look how long the bristles are. They're long, bro. Look how like slightly curved it is. It's perfectly like that to contour to your head, you feel me? That's what it's all about. It's consistent brush angles, and this was right here is going to contour with the. It's gonna connect and contour with the shape of your head, your balloon head. You feel me? And you just, you know what I'm saying, get it in, and it's gonna make you progress faster, bro. Also, not only that, look at the paint, look at the finish, look at everything, bro. Look at it, man. You ain't finding no brush like that, bro. You're not finding a brush that's painted like that, bro. This right here is like, it's high upgraded paint, and it's not even really right here. This not even the paint. It seems like it's a sticker. It look like it's gonna come off. Trust me, the quality, it would never come off. It just look like that, but it's not a sticker or nothing. I don't know what the hell it is, what type of quality it is, but I know it's like the material of the sticker it is, but it's top of the line, bro. Trust me. You know, you see like the gloss finish, you see like the ridges, bro. Like you cannot find no brush that you can put your fingers in like that for grip. So that way when you brushing, you know what I'm saying, sometimes you niggas don't be washing y'all hands, you feel me? So, you know, this right here is slip proof, you feel me? Slip proof grip, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna stay in your hands, bro. And then you're gonna be able to hit those angles on point with your angles pretty much. You know, you're gonna be consistent with them angles. And precise angles is what's gonna get you those connections. But anyways, man, look. Pick up your brush if you got it. If you don't got this one, it's okay. Pick up one that you got. But I recommend that you go to peopletogmerch.com and grab this brush. Pick up your brush right now. Whether if you got the soft one, you got the medium gold. Look at that metallic gold. Look at them bristles. And my stuff is true to the, you know, what it is. Like if it's a softie, it's a true softie. It's a medium, it's a true medium. If it's a hard, it's a true hard. Like this hard right here, this red one, this red joint. Nigga, this is a true hard, bruh. On me. On PB Gang, check it out. You know what I mean? I be going crazy with this. This is my wash brush, actually. But, you know, we got hard, medium, softs there. And, yeah, they're discounted right now, too, as well. So you can go on the website and grab one for the low. Anyways, pick up your brush. Let's brush. Brush with me right now. Let's go. If y'all didn't see the last video, man, I just got a shape up yesterday. I didn't get a full haircut. What I mean by a shape up is pretty much just going all around the sides, not touching your waves, not touching the top of your head. You feel me? Not getting a full haircut. So you're not getting a full haircut. You still woofing. You feel me? You just cleaning your sides up. That's what a shape up is, man. You're just cleaning your sides up, nothing else. Just cleaning your sides up. You're gonna line up all that, of course, and there you go. You got a shape up. So this is how I'm looking. You know, I'm still working on my crown too, trying to get my crown back how it used to be. Like I said, man, I'm trying to, you know, trying to get it back together for y'all. Feel me? Trying to get this shit back together for y'all, bruh. Pick up y'all brush. Go crazy. Also, if you guys didn't know, I know, man, when you get a fresh cut, bro, do not, and I repeat, do not touch that hairline, bruh. Do not. I did a lot of videos on that already, but, and I don't want to sound too repetitive, but this is true. Do not brush to your hairline, because you do not want to mess up that hairline, especially if you got enhancements on it. And I don't care what nobody say, bro. You gotta get your enhancements, bro. You know, you don't have to if you want to, but if you want to stick, if you want to really, like, you know what I'm saying, stick to the program, bro. You want to be upgraded. You gotta get enhancements, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let me use this hard brush right now to fix this spot right here. Obviously, this spot. I'm trying not to do. You know, there it goes, it's fixed. But look, what I was trying to say is, like for barbers and all that, it's just like anything else. Anything that's trending, you gotta do it. Like for example, you know what I'm saying? Like with my head or whatever, you a barber, right? If you a barber and you doing my hair, pretty much, you doing a go fade, right? So you're gonna go fade, and that's trending. A barber gonna try to reach out to you to do your go fade on you because they know that's trending. It's all about trending, bro. Like it's all about social media trending. Whatever's trending, that's what everybody do. And I understand because everybody wanna go viral, and that's what it's about. But you gotta pretty much have your barber stick to the program, bro. Be consistent with your hair. Don't turn on your barber, bro. Stay with that same barber. If he doing you good, and here and there, give him a good tip. You know what I'm saying? Give him a good tip, bro. You know I'm used to give him $10 tip. One time I give him a dub. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm used to give him a dub. Shit, one time I give him 50. Shit, on his birthday, give the nigga 100. Cause at the end of the day, bro, like, that's your barber. He hooking you up unless you cutting your own hair. Bless yourself. You feel me? But if you got a barber like me, I'm blessing my barber like any little holiday or something, birthday or something, I shoot him this, boom. Because you know what? I make my bread from my hair, bro. Everybody like my hair, and I got my business from my hair. So I gotta keep my appearance up from my hair. But even if you're not in business, it doesn't matter. Anything, like if you know that's your appearance, bro. Like shit, you got this chick because your barber gave you a fly haircut, and she over here smelling your hair, smelling that gold drip in your hair, and she like how you look too because of how your barber hooked you up with. So now you gotta tip me because, you know what I'm saying, she wouldn't have smelled that gold drip, you wouldn't have got her, you feel me?
Boy, if you don't.
But serious though, bro, like, hook y'all barbers up, man, cause they do a good job, man. And they do like try the hardest to get you right, man. Hope y'all got y'all brushes out. You know. Hope y'all got y'all brushes out, man. You see, when I first get a shape up, I try my hardest not to like brush my enhancement out, cause I get enhancements for sure. And I don't get crazy enhancement, but I do get enhancement, bro. You know, I do. So you see, I'm just going like with the, you know what I mean, vertical brushing. Still going with the flow of my waves, but I'm not going to the hairline though, see? And that's why I'll tell you about trending stuff, man. Like, that's the new thing right now, is like, you know, the new thing right now is like getting enhancements and stuff, because it's helping your hair, it's helping your waves look more, you know what I'm saying, your lineup look more crispy. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bruh. So the ones who be like, no, I don't get enhancements, so this and that, nigga, your lineup gonna look tricked in 2 days. Enhancement lasts for a while. And if you work out, just wear your do-rag when you're working out, and your enhancement still will last because it's getting held in. It's getting held in place. When you're sweating, it's getting held in place. Now, now if you go to the gym and you got enhancements, and you know what I'm saying, you ain't put your do-rag on, bro, which you should be wearing your do-rag every time if you're a waver in the gym. Nigga, when you gonna have enhancements going all into your eyeballs, bro. Just trust me, it's gonna drip. I didn't deal with that before, man. Trust me. Like, yeah, so you gotta be careful with them enhancements too. But for the most part, man, enhancements is fire, bro. I fuck with them. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, just don't go down to your hairline, because you don't wanna, you know, on top of that, like I said before, like I always be telling you guys, you don't wanna also keep your hairline more fresher after a while. Plus you don't wanna like brush your hairline, because you don't want to get a scar, a scrap, you know, a scab on your hairline. Because when you're brushing it like this, you're brushing your hairline, bruh. And you coming all the way down like this, you're brushing your hairline, and then your hairline is getting irritated, especially if you got sensitive skin like me. It's gonna irritate your hairline, and then you're gonna get a scab. It's gonna scar your hairline, and that shit take a long time to go away. Trust me, bro, I know about all the tricks, bro. I done been through all of it, bro. I done been through it all, man. Trust me, I know. So we just touching it up. Touching it up with this softy. Using the brush softy in the rail. You can see when I'm brushing, look, check out these bristles. Look at these bristles. Now look at my hair. Now look when I brush my hair. Look what the bristles do, bro. Look, check it out. Let me see it from right here. Hold on, can we get a good angle? Look at it. Hold on, let me see. Check it out. A lot of them don't do that, bro. Trust me. But look. How can I get a... Man, you can't even see from here, huh? Man, you can't even see the breath. Oh, right here, let's see. Check it. That's what you need. You need that good pull. You feel me? Let's see right here. Yeah, we're gonna do it like this. You need that good pull, man. Feel me? A brush with a good ass pull. That's why I love my brushes. Plus, it's made by me. I mean, I didn't make it, but of course, but it's me. You feel me? I'm the creator, so you know I don't cap. So it's perfect. Like I said, a lot of you guys might say it's real pricey, this and that. I could just get a wham. I can get a yeah, I ain't gonna down nobody products, so I ain't gonna say what you can get, but you know, it's a lot of comparable products. But do they got these bristles? Do they got the grip? Is it gonna contour on your balloon head? No, it's not, bro. Like, so you can't really compare. You could compare on some, you know what I'm saying, with some like well, I can get this and on some like jealousy type or if you can't afford it type shit. But for the most part, bro, once you try, you be like, okay, I see what he was talking about. That's why you gonna feel it, bro. A real waver know when they feel this on their head, man. Niggas know. They gonna feel it on your head, low key, no homo. And you gonna be like, yeah, that's why PB uses. Oh, this is why this person uses brush. They got good pull, bruh. And you can wash with it and everything. But obviously you want to have another brush for washing. You know, you want to wash with the same brush. You want to use another brush for that. So you want to have, so that means you got to get 2 of them. And I recommend you wash with a medium every time. Unless you really woofing and that medium ain't pulling your hair back to your satisfaction, then guess what? It ain't getting to that first layer of hair, you're gonna feel it. So then you pull out that hard. You wash with that hard brush. But you know, after I use the softy, whatever, I always use these diamonds right here, you feel me? Using diamonds. You know what I mean? I don't know, that's just a habit. I do a crown session like by itself. I hit my crown by itself. Remind you, I got a haircut like, I went on a cruise July, like mid-July I went on a cruise. So I got a haircut a month ago. Let's say a month ago. I got a 2 with the grain a month ago. 2 with the grain. So after that, man, then, you know, I'll pretty much rag up. But I wanted to show you guys the best brushes in the world, man. And the brushes you should be using to really gain progress, man. If you want fast 360 wave progress, you want to use these brushes. A medium brush, poppyblasted.com. You see it? Medium brush, a hard brush, and a softy. I will be doing product reviews soon on my own stuff, showing you guys tutorials on how I use all my stuff, because I know I've been lacking on that. I don't really have a lot of videos on that. You got customers that review them and YouTubers that reviews them as well on their channel, but I haven't really done it. So, and I have so many products. So I'm gonna be reviewing them for you guys so you guys can see it. You guys can know how to use it. You know, it's easy to use products though. Sometimes you gotta just try new things to see what works best for your hair. As far as like methods. Or you could just do the basic method, just put it in your hair, brush with the softy, rag up. But it might not work for you like that. You might gotta put it in your hair and distribute it evenly with a medium or a soft, and that works better for you. So that's what I mean, you know what I mean? So it's pretty much just trial and error, man. With this wave stuff, you gotta just pretty much have fun, man. Don't be too hard on yourself. Be patient, because it takes time, and eventually you're gonna get where you wanna be. You feel me? That's just like with anything else in life. Anything you wanna be. You just gotta, you know, give it a try and keep pushing, and eventually you're gonna, you know what I'm saying, accomplish that goal. But anyways, man, that's the end of the video, bro. I'm trying to hit y'all with some content, man. I'm trying to keep this thing going. And whatever I drop, man, make sure you guys watch it. Alright? We gotta get that algorithm going again. Like the video right now, smash the like button. Also make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure it's highlighted so that way when I drop, you will not miss out on the drip that I drop. Okay? You ain't gonna miss out, man. You're gonna see it and you're gonna watch it. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's it. Alright? If you're great, they gonna hate. Ha! Yeah! Hey, we just brushed with me, yeah. Y'all just brushed with me, man. I'm brushed with the game, PB game. Let's go. Cut the camera, nigga. If you're great, they gonna hate. Yeah!
Gang. Let go.